Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into 10 must-have kitchen gadgets that will make cooking easier, faster, and more fun. Whether you're tired of tedious prep or just want to upgrade your kitchen, these tools are game changers. Many of them are available at special deals, so check the links below. Let's jump in. Chopping garlic can be messy and time-consuming, but the Garlic Zoom garlic chopper makes it effortless. Just pop in the cloves, roll it back and forth, and watch as perfectly minced garlic collects inside. No more smelly fingers or tedious chopping. This gadget is a must-have for garlic lovers. Ditch the store-bought bags. This microwave popcorn popper lets you make fresh, healthy popcorn in minutes using only kernels and a bit of butter or oil. The temperature-safe glass ensures even popping, while the 3-in-1 lid measures your kernels and melts butter at the same time. It's BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and perfect for movie nights. Opening cans just got easier. This electric can opener uses a smooth touch design to eliminate sharp edges while effortlessly opening all standard size and pop-top cans. With its sleek black and chrome finish, extra tall height, and push-down lever, it's perfect for anyone looking for convenience in the kitchen. Tired of struggling to remove corn kernels? The Cobb Corn Stripper makes it easy. Just slide it down a cob, and the built-in stainless steel blades quickly strip off the kernels without any mess. It's safe, easy to use, and perfect for fresh salads, salsas, and side dishes. Hulling strawberries can be a hassle, but this STEM Gem strawberry huller makes it quick and fun. Simply press the button, insert it into the strawberry, twist, and remove the stem effortlessly. It's great for prepping berries for desserts, smoothies, or snacking. If you love fresh herbs but hate stripping leaves by hand, the Zip Strip Herb Stripper is a game changer. With multiple hole sizes, it quickly removes leaves from rosemary, thyme, kale, and more in seconds. Just pull the stem through and you're done. No more wasted time picking leaves one by one. Say goodbye to struggling with messy utensils. The Switch It double-sided spatula is a 2-in-1 tool that's perfect for mixing, scraping, and spreading. With a small side for precision and a larger side for bigger tasks, it's heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and a must-have for every kitchen. Tired of fishing for pickles and olives? The Fridge Fork condiment fork clips right onto your jar, so you always have a built-in fork ready to grab what you need. The attached caddy keeps mess to a minimum, making it a genius tool for pickle lovers. Peeling vegetables can be tedious, but the palm peeler makes it effortless. This ergonomic peeler fits right in the palm of your hand, giving you full control as you glide over potatoes, carrots, or apples. With a built-in stainless steel blade and finger guard, it's safe, efficient, and easy to use. From chopping dough to cleaning countertops, a bench scraper is a must-have. This set of 3 gives you different sizes for every baking and cooking need. Use them to cut pastry, scoop ingredients, or even scrape off sticky dough. They're lightweight, durable, and super handy in any kitchen. That's it for today. Which gadget is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more great finds. See you next time.